Hi friends, in today's video, I'm going to explain one of the most important concepts in object-oriented programming, that is method hiding in Java. In Java, when a static method in the parent class is redefined in the child class with the same method signature, it is called method hiding, not overriding. Whenever we define a method with the same method signature in child class, we say it as overriding. But when the method is static, then we can say it as method hiding. I can prove it with the example why it is called method hiding and why not it is overriding. Let's see the example. We'll see this example in the VS Code. Let's create a main.java file and we create a parent class and we'll write a method, display method, and we can print the parent class as the output. And we'll take a child class which extends parent and we'll override the display method and we can print it as child class and we can use override annotation. Yeah, it is fine. This is called overriding. Whenever we override a method, the method resolution is completely based on runtime object. If we create a object parent p, here reference is parent type and the runtime object is child type, and if we call the display method, here the output is child class. Let's see, if we compile the code java main.java, it compiles fine. If we run the code, here the output is not parent class, the output is child class, because overriding is completely based on runtime object. Here the runtime object is child, so the output is, it calls the child class display method. So if I run the code, here the output is child class. But whenever the methods are static, here the parent method is static and child method also static. So the method display of child type must override or implement a super type method. Here it raises an error because it is not overriding. We can't use override annotation here because it is not overriding. So if we remove the annotation, now it works fine. And as we all know that overriding is runtime based, it calls the child class. But here method hiding is compiler based, that is reference type based. Here reference is parent, so whenever I call p.display, the output is parent class only, because method hiding is completely reference based, that is compile time based. So here the compile time class is parent, so it calls the parent class. Let's see here, if I compile the code, it compiles fine, and if I run the code java main, it prints the output as parent class, because it is not overriding, it is method hiding. Method hiding is completely based on compiler based, that is reference based. So this is the difference between overriding and method hiding in Java. So this is the example which I have explained. So whenever we use static keyword, it is method hiding, not overriding. So thank you. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.